First, I want to express my gratitude to the people of the Southwest, because with what I see here today, I feel very encouraged. And I want to thank us for this wonderful gathering. Is that as at today, and going into the several weeks to come, I'm aware that only the PDP candidate has a written document which he calls My Covenant with Nigerians. And that document was presented yesterday. And that document is not just a document telling us about issues and challenges of the country, but it's a document that contains ways and means of taking us out of where we are. And it contains ways and means of rebuilding a nation. But that rebuilding can only start when we have been able to rescue this country from the draconian hands of the APC. I'm aware that there is a mass movement in Nigeria, and that mass movement is in favor of the PDP. I've had calls to visit a lot of places. I was in Yola, and I saw it live. I was in Kano, and I saw it live. And here today in Oyo State, we are definitely prepared to reclaim our mandate and to return to Aso Rock. So I want to thank the people of Oyo State, and to particularly thank Governor Sheyi, and to thank all our leaders in the Southwest for the show of love and for the preparedness to be able to reclaim our mandate and to return to Aso Rock. Why is our candidate the best? Yesterday I listened to a young doctor who is also a lecturer in the university. And the boy spoke and said, just about 30-something years, he said, it is a time for us to select the appropriate medication for Nigeria because Nigeria is sick. And I know that you do realize that as of today, our country is sick. And we have to prescribe the right medication for us to bring Nigeria back to good health. And then you look at the medications that you have. We know what is the best for Nigeria. When the presidential candidates are lined up, we know what is good for Nigeria. When you have pneumonia, you wouldn't go for the old drugs like Septrin. You go for more recent drugs that you know can truly take care of your illness. In a Nigeria of today, where there is insecurity, in a Nigeria of today, where the voices of the people are such that there's so much anger in it, and everybody wants to, they want things to fall apart. You can only bring a man that is calm, a man with experience, and a man who is ready to sit on the table and to bring everybody to the same table to discuss Nigeria and to ensure that we're able to build back our country to the country of our dream. The Nigeria of today is not the Nigeria of our dream. There is only one amongst the entire lot who has that capacity, who will have respect for all and is ready to sit down to discuss with all, and has enough experience to put us together. And that man, you know, is Atiku Abubakar. He is the only medication that we can prescribe today for Nigeria among the lot. Any other medication will lead Nigeria on the pathway to death, and may God not allow that. So we present a man who is truly ready to unify this country. Others are talking about division. I may not want to talk about Muslim tickets. I may not want to talk about other tickets that are trying to drag the church, the Christian religion, into the election path. But the important thing is that we need somebody who is talking about Nigeria, a united Nigeria, because it's only in strength that we can truly rebuild this country. It's only when we have the needed peace that we can rebuild this country. And we know that Atiku stands tall. He's that one man that has no boundaries in this country. He may be from the north, but I know that he has friends across Nigeria, in the southwest, and the south-south, and the southeast. And he has respect for all. He has respect for Muslims. He has respect for Christians. He's one man that is tolerant. And that is why I'm privileged. We are one party in the PDP. We are reconciled. There could have been differences, but we are moving ahead. And I know that by the special grace of God, in February we shall win our elections, and in March we shall win the governorship election, not only of Oyo State, but we will win in Ogun, we will win in Oyo, and we will also win in Lagos. And in the further elections that will come in Ekiti and Ondo, we will win the two elections. It is well with the people of the Southwest, and I urge you, please go into this election as brothers and sisters. There is nothing that will limit you, because the grace of God is with you. All our leaders, and our youths, and our women, all we need to do is to go with one heart, one love, and realize that you are able to do it, and you will surely do it in Jesus' name.